Hi, this is George, founder of CRMchat.ai. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate our Telegram mini app with Google Spreadsheets. So the idea is simple. We built CRMchat.ai for any team that has a lot of leads, a lot of chats and groups on Telegram, and they need a tool to manage all these conversations. So essentially we add a layer of reminders, tasks, notes on top of chats and groups. But sometimes you need to see your pipeline on one screen just to understand where you're stuck with your deals. And for this particular use case, I think the easiest way is to integrate our Telegram mini app with Google Spreadsheet so you can see where all your conversations are stuck. I'll show you how it works first, and then I'll show you how to set it up. So here we have a simple spreadsheet where I'm going to send all new contacts. So I create a new contact, send it to our CRM chat bot, and within 1 second, it will be populated into the spreadsheet. You see here, there's a stage of the deal. As soon as I change the stage within our mini app, so I change it to new, it will automatically change in the Google spreadsheet. So basically, it's a simple CRM built on top of Google Spreadsheet. Now, when I move my deal, in our case, it's just a chat with the user, if I move it forward and change the stage to lead, it moves on my Google spreadsheet. Let me show you how to set it up. You will need Zapier for this. So this is our mini app. So you go to settings and you will see connect your CRM here. This is our paid feature. As soon as you click, you will subscribe and then we will invite you to Zapier. In the Zapier integrations, you can set up everything. If you want to run your pipeline on Google Spreadsheet or within our mini app, you need to create a custom property which reflects your stages. I'll show you how to do it. So let's go to settings, custom properties. Let's add single select. Let's call it stage. And what stages we will have? New, lead, and demo, and one. Let's keep it simple. Okay, I created stages. I created a new spreadsheet. I want 2 different views here. One will be for contacts, and another one will be my pipeline. So for contacts, let's say I want to see the name, the Telegram link, bio, and the stage. Stage is a new custom property that I just created. And for the pipeline, I want to see all my stages, which are new, lead, demo, one. Now let's create a Zap that will populate leads and deals from our CRM chat to your Google spreadsheet. A new Zap. Trigger will be CRM chat. There are 2 different triggers. One is contact or chat created and contact or chat updated. We will create 2 Zaps right now. One will be for creating new leads. Another one will be for updating them. So when you update the stage of the lead, it will be reflected on your Google spreadsheet. So account, you will see only one CRM chat. Here I have 2 just because I use one for demo purposes. Now let's click continue. It will offer me to test the trigger. Let's test it. Yep, it doesn't matter, but I will pick this one. Continue with selected record. Now I need Google Spreadsheet. Okay, choose an action. The action will be create spreadsheet row. So we have all the columns already created. Now we need to populate the rows. So I will create a new spreadsheet row. Click here to finish the configuration. I'm selecting my Google Drive. So here I select what spreadsheet I want to update. Spreadsheet will be this newly created CRMchat AI demo September 11 and worksheet. So I have two tabs. One is contacts, the one that I created right now, and another one is pipeline. So I'm going to send all my new leads in the contact tab. And here is a very simple idea. You will see the names of all your columns that we created together, and you need to map them with the corresponding fields in the CRMchat AI. So here, what I'm populating, name, is obviously name, Telegram link. So here's the link, bio, we call it, I think we call it description. Yeah, description. And then stage, we called it stage. Continue, click publish. Let's open spreadsheet, and you can see, so when I had the test, it already populated the contact. So it will look this way: Gleb Levin, Telegram link, bio, and the stage is empty because I didn't have the stage for this lead. Now I will create a new contact. So I'm just sending his Telegram handle to our bot, and it created a new lead. And you can see immediately the lead was sent into Google Spreadsheet. Let's do another one more time so you can see how the integration works. Yeah, here new user was created and immediately it was sent to my Google Spreadsheet. Yeah, now let's finish with pipeline. So we have these 4 stages. Here we need to add some simple formulas. So basically it will take leads from this tab and populate here according to the stage. So the formula is filter. Then we need to filter, we will filter by the name. So we will need to see the names. And then the condition will be stage, and the stage should be equal to the name of the stage. So let's check that formula works. So here for Gleb, let's put new, just manually to double check the formula. Yeah, it works. Now let's create a new Zap. So the new Zap will be the Zap that updates the leads when you change the property stage. So the first one that we created was just sending leads into Google Spreadsheet. Now let's create another one which will update the property. All right, so the new trigger will be CRMchat. It will be contact or chat updated. Account is, again, you will see only one. This is my test environment. Let's continue. Test trigger. Continue. Now we need Google Spreadsheet. And I need to update spreadsheet role as an event. All right. My account, configure, drive. So here you just select your Google Spreadsheet, the one you want to update. And we are updating contacts. So again, here I will pause for a second. We have this contacts tab, and when we update the property, the stage property on Telegram in our mini app, it will automatically update here. The next tab, pipeline, is just automatically populated by formulas, so we don't do anything to it. That's why here again we select worksheet contacts, and when you need to select a role, just click add search step, because we need to search for a specific role, which is your contact, and then to update it. So same thing here, work shared contacts, and we use as a lookup column, let's map your contacts on your spreadsheet and in the CRM by Telegram link. So here, let's use Telegram link here. All right, continue, config, continue, test step. All right, and finally, we need to set up the last step. So here we have 4 columns, which again are the same, these columns. And we're going to update the stage with the stage custom property. This is it. Let's skip test. Let's just publish. Now let's use Anton. Okay, so let's find stage. As you can see, so here's Anton, stage is empty. Let's put lead here. Update. And you see it was updated here. Pipeline. Here I forgot to use the same formula for other stages. Okay, let's do it quickly right now. Just to make it quick, I will use this thing. Okay. All right, Anton. So now let's do it again. Now let's see here. Let's look at the pipeline. Let's update the stage again. Now from lead, we will send Anton to demo. Update. And let's watch here. You see, it immediately moved. Let's do it again. Edit. Let's send it to 1. And look here, 1. So what other contacts we have here? Gleb, Anton, Jenny. Okay, let's play with them. Gleb. Let's send Gleb to lead. Okay, look here. All right. And let's send Zhenya to new. Stage, new. Yep. So this is it. If you have any questions, you can just find CRMchat AI, and here you can find the link to our community, here in CRM community. Here it is. Just ask a question and we will help you. If you need to find us, then CRMchat AI. Here's our website. Just click Get Started. We'll ask your email and we'll automatically send you to our mini app. George, so submit, and you are here. Yep. All right. Good luck. I hope it was helpful. Bye.